don't think it's wise to build your business for just money is a tool for doing good, but raising money is not necessarily an indication that your startup is going to succeed. It's not necessarily the indication. Businesses are just such that they would attract a lot of money, but for most people that becomes the criterion of our business is doing well, which by and large it should indicate that, because it means investors trust a business module, they believe a business module is going to work and whatnot. But I guess what I was saying was we should shift the goal from just raising the money to the actual reason why we set up business. If you set up the business to make money, but then to reach out to clients, to grow, those should be the metrics against which you measure success, and not necessarily because we raised 500,000. In fact, depending on how you raise the 500,000, is either debt, which is an obligation to pay, or you just brought more cooks to the soup. So whatever the case is, it might not necessarily be the best in that sense, because obviously from a rational perspective, you want the 100% of the cake to yourself.